Hey there, and welcome to Unlocking Online Success, Mastering Digital Marketing for Website Traffic. In this video, I'll be showing you how to drive traffic to your website using powerful digital marketing strategies. So let's get started. First, it's crucial to optimize your website for search engines. Use relevant keywords, meta tags, and high-quality content to improve your website's visibility in search results. Remember to also focus on mobile optimization to reach users who are on the go. Next, consider leveraging social media platforms to promote your website. Build a strong online presence by regularly posting engaging content, responding to comments, and interacting with your audience. Social media can be a powerful tool for driving traffic to your website. Email marketing is another effective strategy to boost website traffic. Create compelling newsletters, offers, and personalized content to entice subscribers to visit your website. Remember to segment your audience to deliver the right message to the right people at the right time. An often overlooked strategy is leveraging influencer marketing. Partner with influential individuals in your industry to promote your website. Their endorsement can drive traffic and increase credibility for your brand. Paid advertising on platforms such as Google or Meta Facebook can be a quick and effective way to increase website traffic. Target specific keywords and demographics to attract high-quality visitors to your website. Lastly, don't forget the power of content marketing. Create valuable and shareable content through blog posts, videos, or infographics. Make sure your content is optimized for SEO and share it across different platforms to expand your reach. By following these digital marketing strategies, you can unlock online success and drive traffic to your website. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. See you in the next video.